In today's competitive landscape, where success is determined by your ability to persuade, influence, and win over customers, having the right sales strategy is non-negotiable. How to build one. Presenting our sales strategy presentation template, the missing piece in your sales puzzle. This isn't just any ordinary template, it's like having a sales coach in your pocket, guiding you toward victory. Don't settle for average sales results. Click the link in the description and elevate your game with our sales strategy presentation. Hurry, limited time offer, up to 15% off. This ready-to-deploy PPT set uncovers the driving force behind your sales triumphs. Delve into last year's marketing channels to unveil strategies that led you to success. From print ads to emails, referrals to social media, discover the winning mix that will skyrocket your sales. Compare your campaign options to fuel your sales domination. From the art of telemarketing to the precision of online advertising, the impact of trade fairs to the reach of social media, choose your channels wisely. Dive into the possibilities for the current year's campaigns. This PPT preset helps you explore options across telemarketing, online advertising, trade fairs, and more. Ready to take your sales to the next level? Download our detailed sales strategy PPT from the link below and start skyrocketing your results. Maximize your sales impact with a well-allocated campaign budget. From careful planning to strategic allocation, every dollar spent is an investment in success. Here's a content-ready PPT slide to help you draft an inclusive marketing roadmap. Navigate through strategic milestones, target markets, and compelling messaging. Unite your sales and marketing efforts, align your vision, and ensure success. Deploy this PPT resource to strategically map out offers, captivating promotions, and exclusive discounts that keep customers hooked. From January to December, dominate each month with targeted campaigns that drive sales and leave your competition biting the dust. Maximize and increase your sales potential with this sales performance dashboard, a dynamic tool that transforms raw data into actionable insights. The sales strategy presentation is your secret weapon to conquer the market, shatter records, and emerge as the sales superstar. The stage is set. It's time to dominate.